guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha. On this channel, you guys are going to get videos and tips on ways to make money from home. I'm going to post amazing job opportunities and cool side hustles that you can do from home, and some cool side businesses that you can start from home, and you never know what can happen, right? They can blow up. Listen, I want you guys to make sure that you follow me on, of course, YouTube. Make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. But make sure you jump on over to Facebook. I'm on Instagram and TikTok as Side Hustle Keisha as well. Make sure you follow me over there so you can, always be um, updated on the latest job opportunities and all the opportunities that I post. And if you have any friends or family that are looking for work, please send them my way. I definitely would look forward to assisting them and guiding them on their work from home journey. So let's jump over to this opportunity. Before I do that, I wanted to remind you guys on YouTube, below every video, there's a description box. And on that description box, there is a detailed list of the videos that every video that I talk about, I put the link to that job opportunity. I also show you how you can stay connected with me here on my link tree. I also talk about my #1 way to make money from home. Watch that video. And then there's also a link that you can click on if you are interested in that one opportunity. Also, my free work from home business that I do from home as well. And I also wanted to tell you, if you are an entrepreneur or you have a business or you are in a multi-level marketing business and you need more leads for your business, every Wednesday we do a free webinar. So that link will be below in the description box as well. And I want you to get a hold of that free training to help you build your business. So let's jump into this cool opportunity. This opportunity is with a company called Cloud Goods. So the company is what they do, they provide scooters, medical, wheelchairs, strollers, everything that you would need at amusement parks to get around. This is a cool opportunity. This is a unique opportunity. And I believe I kind of gonna focus and hone in on those of you who are in the travel business or have a travel blog. This would be really great when you're putting your packages together for your clients for trips. Those who may need wheelchairs, strollers, things like that, you'll be able to recommend this amazing company because they are at the Disney World. They're located in Disney World. So they need Cloud Good ambassadors in Disney World, work from home jobs. So when you're posting on your blog or you're posting on your Instagram page for your travel business, when you talk about Disney World, which a lot of you talk about Disney World on a regular basis, you can include some information about this. Let me just read to you the opportunity. It's Cloud Goods ambassador in Disney World, work from home jobs. Let your social media accounts make money for you, all while making your own hours working remotely. We are looking for Cloud Good ambassadors that will help us build and grow our current community. As a Cloud Good ambassador, you'll be empowered to play a greater role as we march towards achieving our mission, and it may enable you to make extra cash on the side as well. We like to think of you as an extension to our team. So responsibilities would creatively leverage your network to generate additional revenue for Cloud Goods and yourself. Post about Cloud Goods on your social media accounts. Be an advocate for Cloud Goods in your daily life and online. Generate likes, shares, comments, on Cloud Goods posts to improve visibility. Your requirement, a love and a passion for Cloud Goods and the services we provide to the world. So they're all over. They just need an ambassador for Disney World, but they do provide these services for other areas. So you can look into that once you get in this particular role. Social media accounts with a minimum of 1,000 followers. Previous Cloud of Goods customers. So if you were already or you recommended their products to any of your previous customers that were traveling to Disney World, that's a great plus. So what you would do to apply is you would go to check out our website at www.cloudofgoods.com. I'll put it below in the description box. Post about us on social media platform of your choice, so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Screenshot your success. Take a screenshot of your traction you've received on your post, number of likes, views, reposts, and send it to Job a Cloud of Goods. So if you are a blogger, if you are a on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and you in the travel business or vacation business, this is a great addition to add to your business. Okay, I just wanted to share this cool side hustle opportunity. You guys, my name is Keisha. Make sure you drop below in the description box and get my free webinar that we do every Wednesday. If you're trying to grow your business, you need more leads, check that out. If you are looking to start a home-based business, I have a free business opportunity below. It's a business in a box, and I want to make sure that you guys are aware we do offer additional assistance, additional training for you to get more customers for your business. So always check below in the description box. Make sure you follow me on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.